Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to remove credit or debit card from AliExpress. So, whether you're switching to new card or just want to protect your payment information, this guide will show you how to remove your card from AliExpress step by step. So, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC or mobile phone, go to the search bar, type in AliExpress login. Now click on the login link and it is going to take you to this page where you'll be able to log into your AliExpress account. So simply log into your AliExpress account, you will see a page that will look something like this. Click on the account option at the top of the screen. Now you will see a drop down menu. You will have to click on the payment option. When you click on payment, it is going to load up this page. Now, on this page, you'll have to scroll down and navigate to the section that says cards. As you can see, I don't have any cards added, but you will see the remove or delete button just under the card section here. So if you'll have added any card, click on that card and you will see the remove or delete button. And if you don't see the remove option, try using AliExpress app to get it. Now when you click on remove, your card will be instantly removed. Now, if you can't remove your card, you'll have to ensure that you don't have any pending orders linked to the card. You can try removing the card from a desktop browser or contact AliExpress support if the option is unavailable. And that's it. You have successfully removed your card from AliExpress. If this guide helped, like and subscribe for more online shopping tips. See you in the next one.